Hello viewers, you're welcome to another section of Knowledge is Power. In today's class is on geometry. And many of us see geometry as a very difficult mathematics because it requires a lot of constructions and angle drawings. But today I want to let you know that geometry is wonderful mathematics. It's a lovely mathematics. It involves construction. Those days we use paper to do constructions and plot our graphs. But with this wonderful tool called geogebra, it brings out the visual beauty of either the graph plotting or the constructions. And it also helps us to solve a real world problem. And I will be dealing on a real world problem. It involves a land dispute between two brothers, and the question says the land is in irregular quadrilateral. So it's an irregular shape quadrilateral which has a four side, but all the whole four sides are not equal. In this issue, I've taken them to a lot of places to seek solution to court because it has caused a lot of disharmony between these two brothers. So today, let me use GeoGebra to solve this problem. And the question says that it is an irregular quadrilateral which has a four side. So using this tool, the first thing I have to do is to create 4 points using these basic tools here. So let me get my 4 points. Click on the point here. Let me use A to represent the first point, and, B second point. Remember they said all the whole sides are not equal. So this side is a little bit longer to this point, and this side is shorter. So the next thing you have to do is use a segment line or a polygon tool to join these points together. So let me first use a segment line. To join all these 4 points together. A to B, from B to C, from C to D, and from D to A. So this is an irregular quadrilateral. We can also get the distance between these points. So let's get the distance, length. So let's say from A to B, it's 4. Then from B to C, it's 7.4. Then from C to D, it's 4.5. From A to D is at 3.4. So you see, say all the whole sides are not equal. Let me gradually move this to this side, this one here, so that the work will be beautiful. So you see, all the whole sides are not equal. So it says an irregular quadrilateral. So the next thing to do is to join. You can also use my segment to join point A to C. Let me use my segment to join point A to C and B to D, B to D. So you see, gradually technology is solving this real world problem that's causing disharmony between these two brothers, right? So GeoGebra is a wonderful tool. So it's a wonderful tool. So if you want to see it more clearer, bolder, you can zoom or reduce. So the next thing we have to do now is we can use is to use a polygon, um, the polygon tool. Just go down here, you see your polygon tool. This is your polygon tool, right? It could be 4, 3 polygon angles. So now let's use our polygon tool um, to find an angle ABD. It's just like highlighting angle ABD, angle ABD. So we've gotten angle ABD. So let's also highlight angle CDB, angle C D and B, angle C D and B. Let's also highlight angle A, B, and C, angle A, B, and C, and finally angle A, D, and C, angle A, D, and C. So we have highlighted all the whole angles that we have in this irregular quadrilateral. So the next thing to do is to use an area. You can use an area to find the area of the whole triangle. So we have 4 triangles in this irregular quadrilateral. So let's use an area. Let's use an area to measure the whole triangle that we're succeeding in constructing inside this irregular quadrilateral. So go down. So here is the area. Here's the area. So click on this angle here. It's 14.2. We click on this angle here. It's 14.2. We click on this angle here. Is 4.8. We click on this angle here. It is 4.8. So 4.8. Good. So this angle here is 14.2. This angle here is 14.2, while this angle here is 4.8, while this angle at the side here is 4.8. So you see, we are finally succeeding in solving this dispute between this land dispute between these two brothers here. So here on this side of this angle here, we have 14.2. You can give it to maybe brother 1, and this side you can give it to other brother, and also this side here you can give it to other brother, and this side here you give it to the other